I just got home. I was supposed to run some errands and I kind of didn't. I mean, I was at Walgreens and I was supposed to buy things and I didn't find anything I needed to buy, so I left, which was quite disappointing. But I just got home. I have lots of things to do today. Also, this angle is quite funny and I feel like I look kind of crazy because you see those eye bags? It's bad. It's really bad. Like, when was the last time I slept? I don't know. Also, I have no makeup on, which makes me look even like worst. I look crazy. I don't do much for work. Like, if I'm going to work, I'm very plain. I'm not like gonna go in a crazy outfit or crazy makeup. Sometimes I do makeup, but you know, nothing like when I'm going out with my friends. Like this is very comfy, very chill. But anyways, I have to study. I have a class today, so I have to go to college and go to my class. I also have a dance tonight. We're gonna be practicing for something that I actually can't talk about, but we're gonna be practicing for something. I feel very mysterious. I am gonna be filming, but I won't post it until that something happens, so you guys will have to stay tuned. I'll probably film a little for this vlog and what goes on in dance, but we're gonna be practicing, so I can't show you what we're practicing on. So we'll see what happens today. I literally gave up on vlogging. I was like midday. I vlogged this morning and then I was supposed to like do my errands and film, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna post. I'm just not gonna film because I have some videos that Audrey has to send me so I can edit, but she hasn't sent the videos yet, so I actually can't edit and I don't have any other videos to edit. So I'm like, I'm just gonna do a day in my life on my busiest day ever, which is Wednesdays. So this is what this vlog is. So hopefully it gets better and hopefully Audrey sends me those videos so I can edit and post for you guys, because if not, it's gonna be like, I don't want to be posting every 2 weeks, you know, and that's what it's becoming. I literally post every 2 weeks. So also this angle is funny, like I look a little crazy, but I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna fix my hair and I'm gonna study and then take you guys with me to dance and school. I literally fell asleep. I didn't do much homework. I also procrastinated, which is not good. But then I started to do my class and I got through one video, but they're very short, so I should have at least gotten through 2. So I'll try to get through 2. But I look horrible and I had to go reach for school and dance, so see. Tomorrow I'm free, so I could catch up, but I don't want to do that. Like, I have today. Also, this is not gonna hide my eye bags. It's a pretty good job, but they're thick. Also, I have to change my hair because this is so bad. So also, don't judge the way I do my makeup. It's what works for me. So also, this concealer is really good. I used to use Mary Kay, but I don't have it right now. I ran out of it, and then I bought this one from Sephora, and it's pretty good. I don't like wasting money on things like this. So if like I'm not one to try new products because piss me off if they're bad, because I'm like, I just wasted money. And I also have no one to give it to because no one in my family has my skin tone or it's close to it at all. So I mean my dad, but he's not using makeup, so it becomes such a waste if I buy like the wrong foundation or the wrong product. But this one I tested before, like in store, and it was pretty good, so I bought it and I like it. I don't know if I look better, but I do here. I don't know what I'm wearing to dance. I've been going to dance like a lot, like I feel like I'm there every day, which I like, but I don't have like that many dance clothes. Or I do, but like not really. Also, I've been listening to 80s, their new comeback. Yes, Eh-belle. I haven't bought the album, which is really bad as a loyal 18-y. I need to buy the album like ASAP. Like I need it yesterday and I don't have it. But I haven't had time to just order it. That's a lie, but I want to order it like now. Ghost is my favorite one, and then NASA, and then all the other ones I love. But Ghost is my favorite one. I replay it, like it ends and I go back. And I'm about to do that right now. It's playing right now as I film. I love that song. Do I need more? A little more. I love Hanjin's rap, and then Mingi starting. It's just, I love the back-to-back. It always eats up. I also want to do a new makeup routine because I feel like I'm sick of the way I do my makeup. Like I've been trying to do a new style of eyeliner every time I do my makeup, so I see which one I like the most. But right now, I can't with sparkles, like glitter, like eyeshadow that has like glitter. I'm sick of it. But I know it's a phase. My other shirt was pissing me off, so I switched to this. Like I look better. I think just green is not my color, or maybe the army green. Like also the lighting. I look bad. Now I look slightly better. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I have to do my hair because this is critical conditions right now.
If it is useless, if it doesn't convey the actionable information.
I just finished my class and the lighting looks absolutely horrible, but it is what it is because it's dark outside. I'm going to go to get food. I don't know what I want to get. I thought of buying yogurt, but like hear me out. Like it's cheap. It has protein. Dinner, right? No. I feel like if my cousin is watching this, she's gonna be like, what? Because the amount of trauma we have with yogurt, like there's history. But it won't be strawberry. Don't worry, Claudia. It's not gonna be strawberry yogurt. But also I'm like, do I want yogurt or do I want Panda? But Panda is like big bag energy. That's giving not healthy at all. but it's cheap too. But I also had Chick-fil-A today, so it's like, how much fast food can my body handle in a day? Mind you, I'm going to dance, so like I should be healthy, right? I think I'm gonna seek a yogurt, maybe a protein bar. I'm gonna call it a day. Girl dinner. That should be girl dinner, right? And then I'll probably visit Haley because I have time before we actually go to practice. And she's at the studio, so I'll probably just go at the studio. And then we'll go to practice, which is going to be like at the gym. My eyes look so shiny. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Wawa and find yogurt or like a protein bar, and that will be my girl dinner. I don't know why the flash is on, but anyways, I found this protein one. I was tempted to get strawberry, but I was like, that's just gonna be wrong. And then, hold up. I got this protein bar, which is funny because this is protein and then this is protein, so I'm just gonna have like protein overload. But is there such thing? This one my friend recommended to me. I don't plan on buying actually protein bars. I feel like they gaslight you and maybe they're not good for you. Same with this. I'm just like, I don't trust you. But this is girl dinner right now, so that's what it'll have to do for today. Also, I don't know if I want to eat here, like in the parking lot, because there's so many cars at this gas station, and I'm just like, why is there like I just saw the security guard, like what? It's the gas station. Why is there? Mind you, if I were to be in Puerto Rico, okay, but I'm not, so I'm just like, why is there so many people? I'm like a little scared. And someone just parked next to me. The quality keeps getting worse, bro. But I'm trying my best, okay? I just made it to dance, well, to the studio where Haley is. But like half of the people canceled for rehearsal today, and I'm like, that's wonderful. I just got here, but it's okay. Hopefully we can rehearse in the studio and we don't have to go to the gym, because I actually don't have a gym membership, which means I will have to pay. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna go in because she just texted me, but she doesn't know that I'm here, so I'm gonna go in and see what happens. Doing a silly vlog. Hello. My diva. We're practicing a little bit. And I don't know where the night will take us. Oh. Not in that way. Where the night will take us. Somewhere. I don't know. Do it! Roll it up, roll it up. Yeah. Yeah, and you can't hear her anymore. And you can't hear her.